Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be using the Blood Money palette by Jeffree Star. And I am very excited to use this palette. I just have so many ideas. I did my hair. You can see-ish. You'll see it on the final. I did buy a new eye primer at Ulta, and Ulta had like a sale for their Ulta Beauty, so I did use this time around the matte eye primer in nude. This one right here, right there. It is very creamy and smooth, and I'm just like kind of like in love with it, so we'll see how that works out. So the shades that I'm going to be using is this one. It's called Heavyweight. This one right here, Jaded, and the top one, Crocodile Tears. So these three right here. My nails are still looking ratchet because the salons are still closed, so my nails still look yucky. I'm also going to use the gold one, which is this one right here. Focus. And it's called Money Heist. And then maybe in the inner corner, Divine Intervention. Right here. Inner corner. I'm not sure. I might do that. I'm gonna use a Morphe. This one is, which one's this one? JS6. They're no longer gonna carry these, so they don't longer gonna carry this style. They only carry the ones that are like this, and even then those are already on sale, and unfortunately they're not gonna do them anymore. So if you can get your hands on them, I would get them now because they're half off on Morphe. So yes. All right, now I'm gonna start with Heavy Weighted, and go from still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I might just do a simple I don't know how to do simple. Yes, another JS6, but it's this one, not the diamond one. Then I'm going to go with Crocodile Tears, and see how this goes. I'm not gonna do the whole lid though. I'm just gonna do a little bit here. Make it more green. And then I'm gonna go back with the other one. I'm gonna add a little bit more color and then go here. And then go back to Crocodile Tears. I'm going to use e.l.f.'s eyeshadow letter C, which is this one right here. It's not flat, but it's fluffy. I'm gonna get the shade color Jaded, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna do, you know what, I'm gonna do half, and the rest is gonna be gold. Did that do anything? I think I'm gonna use that Ulta eye primer to do like a half crease right here, and then do the gold. So I'm just putting this much. I'm now gonna use Morphe M124. It's a flat brush so that I can put in Money Heist on the lid. Right here. I'm not gonna wet it. See how it does without being wet. Am I picking up anything? I can't tell. Oh. Okay. It did. I couldn't tell. Let me wet it. I want to wet it now. Or is it some, I can't tell if this one works better with just a finger. That's what it looks like. Oh, it works better with finger. Okay. That is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna keep tapping. Wow, I still have a lot. That's crazy. I'm gonna put some on here. I'm gonna go back with Jaded. And then I'm gonna go back with Money Heist. Make those two blend together. Oh yes, so pretty. Okay, well, now I'm gonna get a smaller flat brush, and I'm gonna use what is it? Oh, Divine Intervention. This one for the inner corner and outer corner. It's white, but it has a shift of green. I didn't even need to wet the brush. I'm gonna grab JS11, which is kind of a flat one, but I'm gonna use that for Crocodile Tears. You know what? I'm gonna go back and forth with Crocodile Tears and then Jaded. So this is Crocodile Tears. Then I'm gonna go with Jaded, same brush. I might as well put it on here too. Actually, that was so strong. Oh my god. Okay. Where's my blending brush? Well, that wasn't planned. Okay, next is I bought a white liner from Ulta because they had a sale. It's not as intense as another one I had, which is NYX. NYX one is more intense. I'm gonna try that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna try the NYX. I like the NYX better, but I don't. Is that it? Okay, there. I don't want to keep messing with it. Next, I am going to do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. pen liner. Alright, I'm gonna put my eyelashes, finish up the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and as you can see, I got my hair dyed. Well, I dyed it thanks to Yvette, who I bought a Olaplex balm, and then she put a different like green color on there, but then she added a little bit more blue so that it can fade towards the blue. So far I like it. Maybe next time I'll do like a brighter green, but so far I like this one. I really like it. I don't know, I've been obsessed with green lately. I don't know why. It's just weird because I've never been obsessed with green unless it's like turquoise, and this time around I'm like more gravitating to greens. Maybe it's Baby Yoda or Grogu, but this is the final look. The lips, I used Dominatrix as a lip liner, and then I used Medieval Kiss. Now I wonder if I should have just done it just that, because I feel like adding the Dominatrix lip liner made it darker, so who knows. Next time I'll try it without the lip liner. This is the final look. I did cut my eyelashes, and it feels a lot better than last time. That is it. And also towards the end I did do a TikTok video with this look, so hopefully you guys liked it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video with this makeup look. And I also hope that you guys like my first episode of Margie Presents Hello Random. I was going to do this look and do episode 2, but then things never go as planned. So I will be back with episode 2, but I'm gonna put this one out, and then episode 2 I'll do a different look. I'll do a tutorial for that look if anybody cares to do my looks. And then I'll think about what to use, because I still have maybe 2 palettes that I haven't used yet. Alright, enough about myself. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and ring on the bell. Alright, thank you guys so much. Love you guys, and Happy New Year. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. No. I am going to use Morphe M125. That's crazy, I still have some on my finger. That was insane. It's still coming off. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna have a lot of glitter everywhere. Glitter everywhere. Because I don't know how to be basic with makeup. I'm basic with everything else, but makeup, I bought it. Hold on. Do I have any? Yeah, because last time I did a video, didn't realize I had lips. I love these styles of jacket. And then Game of Thrones. Yeah. Ugh. I don't know how to... I'm enjoying this green and gold. Oh, maybe I'll use this as my thumbnail. Hold on. Feel like a Kardashian, but everything's natural. Okay, I'm feeling myself. I'm really enjoying this. But I miss being blonde.